My name is Ashley Winkler, and I'm the Senior Experiential Tours Program Manager at Living and Learning International. I'm excited to work with faculty like yourselves to take your nursing students outside the classroom, outside the States, and take them abroad into the world. And our Living and Learning nursing programs are all over the world. Whether it's working in recovery centers in Ireland, or with refugees in Greece, or with the people of Kenya. Specifically in that region of the world, we have a variety of opportunities for your students to get that hands-on experience working and doing their clinical hours in the local hospital, or doing a village pop-up clinic in the slums where typically they don't get any sort of medical care. We've had students who have delivered babies in hospitals alongside the nurses in those places. Whether it's going to jails and doing checkups for the men and women there, or going to orphanages or elderly homes, there's a variety of opportunities that we have for your students to get a different sort of nursing experience that they might even get here in the States, but to get that abroad. And in Africa specifically, the opportunities are so rich for them to really implement what they're learning in the classroom and the hospitals here, and doing that abroad. If you would like your students to also experience these same incredible experiences that our previous students in Kenya have, I will actually be your dedicated program manager. I'll work alongside you to plan a customized program that meets your objectives of your course and also within the hours that your students need to complete. So I would love to work with you. Feel free to email me or check out our website with more of our itineraries if any of those places that I mentioned today sounds interesting to you, and I'd love to work with you.